Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best Micro ITX case that combines airflow, aesthetics, modularity, and affordability, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Cooler MasterBox Q300L, a standout choice for compact PC builds without compromising on performance. Let's get into it. First off, design. The Q300L is compact but bold. It sports a transparent acrylic side panel that shows off your internal components with pride. Whether it's RGB lighting, custom cabling, or a liquid-cooled setup, this case puts it all on display. And the magnetic dust filters? They don't just protect your system. They look fantastic too, thanks to their geometric, stylish pattern that adds a signature Cooler Master flair. The dust filters are easily removable and washable, thanks to their magnetic design. That's a big win for maintenance. Now let's talk about compatibility and internal space. Despite being a mini tower, the Q300L supports Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards. Inside, you've got clearance for CPU coolers up to 159mm, GPUs up to a massive 360mm, and power supplies up to 160mm. That's impressive for a case this size. You can easily install high-performance components for gaming or workstation tasks. Perforated panels on the top, front, bottom, and side maximize air intake and exhaust. Whether you're using air or liquid cooling, airflow here is fully optimized. It supports up to 5 fans and even a 240mm liquid cooling radiator. That's serious cooling potential for such a compact footprint. Another clever feature is the modular I/O panel. It can be repositioned to 6 different locations: front, top, or bottom on either side. That means no matter where or how you place your case, on a desk, under it, vertical or horizontal, you can configure it for easy access to your USB and audio ports. And while it looks light, the steel and plastic construction gives it a sturdy, premium feel. It's easy to carry, and thanks to the rubber feet and mesh-covered paneling, it stays stable and well ventilated. In summary, the Cooler MasterBox Q300L punches above its weight. It's affordable, stylish, and most importantly, functional. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned enthusiast looking for a compact powerhouse, this case gives you everything you need: modular design, excellent cooling, and build flexibility. That wraps it up for today's review on Product Critique. If you're planning your next micro build, the Q300L absolutely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your build ideas. Catch you in the next one.